Hey guys, today we are eating 닭도리탕 with rice.
Yum.
It's one of my favorite dish. Are you ready, honey? I feel like there's so many jalapeno on my side.
Spicy.
No, but enjoy. Right after the workout, we're so hungry. Please like and subscribe. Help us become a famous mukbang YouTuber, guys. Right, honey, we love food, right? Not like I know there's like they can eat really like bunch of dish, but not like that. We can, but we can eat really delicious too. With the food, we are food fighter, you know. Have you ever heard food fighter? They are literally competition with each other. Who's going to eat faster? This is a food fighting.
Really?
Yeah. In Korea, they like kind of like who can eat fastest, you know. I think it's been a while. It's like 2 shots like that. You and me, honey.
Yeah.
Usually, I ate like that too, honey. With what? Yeah, chicken, honey. And eating with the rice.
Everyone eats like that, no?
I'm sorry?
Everyone eats like that.
I know, but especially Korean eats like that too. We're taking care of dogs, so it's kind of like I feel like we are parents.
Dog parents.
Oh, when you're hungry, all kind of food is really delicious, but especially delicious food when you're hungry eating is more delicious, you know. Does that make sense? No? What do you mean? Like, you don't know?
Food's delicious.
Yes. You're hungry, basically all food is delicious, you know what I mean?
No.
No?
Because you want to eat nasty food, it's not delicious.
Baby, I'm saying I'm saying the homemade food, honey. Not include nasty food, honey. 맛있다. How many points is this, honey? How many stars?
5.
Really? Don't tell me max is 10 or something.
No, it's 5 out of 5.
Okay. 5 out of 5. Oh. Very good. There's a rice cream. I'm actually eating really fast, so we're still working on it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll film more good video sooner because I'm kinda lazy, guys, you know. So please understand, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.